So what I'm trying to do now is replace the old manky toilet with a toilet which we can use while the rest of the house is being done. I've used a like a hanging toilet by Rocker. They're quite expensive, but it's hanging and it's like good quality. That means I can tile under it when it's done and try and plumb in the new toilet in a day before anyone needs to poop. The thing is with doing all this stuff yourself, the challenge is not actually building it. The challenge is buying the right stuff when you don't necessarily know what the right stuff is. If I'm in the UK, it would be much easier. My language skills would be much easier. I'm starting to get by with Spanish now, but it's still not easy. So we're just cutting out the old water pipe because it's in the way of where we want the waste pipe to be. So we just cut the ends. Angle grinders are amazing things. And they've just used some random nails and shit, so just cut those out as well. These are done with them. Some really weird nail things.
Tadas, the dog torturer.
Don't show it today.
What's going on, Tiger?
What? No, because you're a disgusting animal. You roll around and poop. Poop! 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 Poop!
Demolition wear, flip-flops and shorts. The bits get in between your toes there. So quite good, end of the day. These pillars have been cleared up, ready for removal because we're going to have one really long 2 iron beams in the roof or above the door. And we've installed a toilet, so we've basically reconnected toilet mains up to this black pipe, which is in the back of the toilet, and we've got enough connections to take off anything. It's very easy just to put another one in if necessary. And the toilet's all plumbed in, not yet tested, but also downstairs we've taken out the old asbestos waste pipe, which is quite easy because it's kind of damp. You didn't need to break it much, just like collapsed itself with a few hits of a chisel. And this is our new waste pipe, going down a nice gentle angle over to here, and then whoosh, straight down into the old pipe, which goes right deep in the wall. So if I was gonna have to replace that, then I'd be digging a hole, massive hole in the wall, reconnecting to the mains, and that would be a real pain. So quite happy we were able to chisel the old one off quite easily and get the new one in. All the sealant's just drying up now, but yeah, new pipe in 25mm. Yeah, super happy that we've got all this done today. So just testing the toilet now. It leaks here, leaks. Yeah, that's a big flush. Dun, dun, dun. Let's see what's going on. Yes. Fucking great. Nice. Beautiful poop slide. So what we're doing ceiling to take out all the beams from this entire front of the house. So basically what we need to do is put some pressure on the beams using the jacks. We put this out on the floor to protect the floor, and downstairs, got some beefy jacks, put like 3 or 4 across the beams downstairs as well. It's just to transfer the weight to the ground when we take out these 2 big pillars. Take out all of the beam and replace it with a couple of steel beams, so 14cm steel beams straight across. Two vlog-watching van lifers, Marcus and Lena, stopped by for the night to say hello. They gave us a tour of their van, which we will publish later down the line.
Hi, my name is Marcus.
My name is Lena, hi.
We're from Austria, based in Vienna. Living there, working there, and we've been living in this van now for 1.5 months.
Getting up to test the shower. Got a little leak, so I need to get some PTFE tape.
Oh, I hear fire.
Ah yeah!
Nah, you're kidding. Gotta be kidding.
Hot shower. Turn on to winter, we're even hotter I think. Still heating up. Whoa, feel that, Ez.
Nah.
Feel that.
Oh!
Oh man. Oh my god, that's really hot.
Oscar's currently washing with a saucepan of water out the back.
So what we're doing, this room we're going to turn into like a temporary accommodation for people who want to hang out. So we've got a van, and it involves removing this floor. So it's been concreted in with some like animal manger type things. Probably had pigs in here, but we'll level out the floor and just demolish the stuff. Just needs a bit of shaking up. What we're doing is we want to put a lintel in. We've got this oak lintel to replace this stuff and make a bigger window. So the way we're doing it is we're taking it out from one side, but we just need to make sure that what we're putting on is already secure and we're not going to have to undermine it later. So we're going to have to come down here a bunch, take this out, and then we'll rebuild it in the right way with cement. Put the lintel in and then pack stones around it and above, try and block it in. I mean, quite literally, I don't know what I'm doing, but this is what I've been more or less told to do. So I'm just going to give it a stab, see what happens. It's like rotten shite.
That looked like it was about to go then.
Yeah, I could do. So we've put this beam in, now we're going to cut out the other side. Tadas is cutting out the other side. And then we can put a beam in the other side, and then hopefully the wall won't fall down. So yeah, just doing that today. Also interesting thing, look how close to the edge these supports are. Really bad. We're going to take those out now. Because we're taking it out from the wall, we keep coming up against the problem where they obviously put big rocks in against the small window, so we had to really come back, and then from the bottom we'll rebuild the wall up, and then we'll make the place for the lintel. It's just a lot of work and a lot of destruction. So as you can see, we've built this wall up. Not the straightest wall in the world, but it adds character. It doesn't really matter in this room. So yeah, I built this wall up now. Put in a little bit here at the top, which is ready for the lintel. It looks messier still from the outside. But what we're going to do is, we just ran out of cement, so it's a good point to stop. As you can see here, that side is kind of ready. That side needs to be built up a bit more, but we're going to have to remove a bit more, so we don't want to be dropping some rocks down on the stuff we just cemented. But it's going to be cool. This little room we're currently calling the Hermitage, because that's what it is. That's the door. Then you have this, you're going to have this beautiful, beautiful view.
Oh, that was so epic. Is it with veggies from the garden?
Yeah,
This
it's
is just-
all veggies from the garden. It's gonna be buckwheat, which is not from our garden, and then like cooked vegetables, which includes some proteins because we have beans, and then salads.
By having lots of concurrent projects on the go means that I can keep things moving regardless of different dependencies. Not going to lie though, it's tiring work both physically and mentally.
Oh, sì.
Are you filming?
Just gonna get you all the girls.